What's up guys, we're back with another product showcase. I'm Jayden from Bulldog and today we're checking out FantastiClean's new product range. FantastiClean is all about top tier detailing, made to make your detailing easier and more convenient. Today we're checking out 4 killer products that will make your cleaning and detailing easier, faster and way more effective. Let's jump straight in. First up, we're looking at the Coral Fleece detailing towel. These towels are perfect for polishing, drying and buffing. It has a short pile side for a lint-free smooth finish and a high pile side to pick up the dust and grime. And the best part, no edges, so no scratches or swirls on your glass or paint. And that I mentioned that they're washable up to 50 times. Next up, the detailing microfiber cloths. These are built to last. Washable up to 50 times, tough and super absorbent. Made from 87% polyester and 30% polyamide. They're soft to the touch but hardcore on grime. And they come in a tearaway roll of 36 cloths, so you can grab and go. 300 GSM, so they're thick and durable. Perfect for washing your car. Now, let's talk about the double-sided microfiber cloths. These are game changers. One side soaks up heavy stains and the other side gives you that smooth polished finish. So you're getting 2 functions in one cloth at 450 by 300 millimeters. These are built to last and they're machine washable. Last but not least, the microfiber towels tearaway roll. This is a must-have for big cleaning jobs. You get 75 washable cloths per roll, and they soak up to 8 times more than standard paper towels. Dirt, grease, spills, you name it, and these handle it. Plus, they come in a bunch of different colors. So what makes these towels different from each other? The Coral Fleece towel is a solid 350 millimeters by 350 millimeters. Big, plush, soft, and perfect for that high-end feel. Next up, the detailing microfiber cloths. Even bigger at 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters for better coverage and extra durability. Next up, the double-sided microfiber towels. 450 by 300 millimeters. You get that dual function for maximum efficiency. Finally, the microfiber towels in a tearaway roll. 300 by 300 millimeters. That gives you that lint-free, streak-free finish every time. And there you have it, a full rundown on the FantastiClean microfiber cleaning lineup. If it's top quality you're after, remember you can expect more from Bulldog. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to make sure you don't miss any content. Catch you guys next time.